She is in Ottawa and it's her birthday.
Live a good life when you're young, because when you get to be my age, you'll want to relive it.
You want to relive?
Oh, my days in high school.
Really?
Yeah, I loved high school.
Grundy hated. I actually have anxiety right now.
Make sure you document all of the activities of your trip.
That's why I'm doing these videos. This is about perseverance, I'd say. Knowing what to stick it out with. Mason's pretty camera shy. It's not just me. Birthday is now coming to an end. Had an amazing time in Ottawa. It's a great day to just sort of reflect and realize how many amazing people that I have in my life and all the love, and it's cool to think about how many people that I do have in my life, and driving across Canada is a really good reminder of that, having friends all over the place and being able to share moments and create memories with the people I care about.